Hello everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Gonna do a quick video going over the top 3 plays for tomorrow. Let's dive into this. We got AEY once again. This is gonna be on watch. 220s, yes. We got that 220 level as well as a 234-ish level. I made a video lesson yesterday. It was in the top watches, so same exact plan. It didn't shape up today, but it's still holding up on light volume. So if we could get back to the 220s, 230s, confirm that area, same plan holds. I will likely be looking for the 280s, 3-ish area to sell into. So just looking for that quick snipe. All these shorts that will be betting into this failing, as we do see the history. It's had some moves, that's for sure, but at the end of the day, look at this. For the past 2 years now, we're just downtrending. Each pop is a great short opportunity, and we'll see if this completely fails to break down. This could lead to some solid squeeze if the demand is there, at least. Looking at just the chart, I would expect that out of this play, but of course, anything could happen that day that it's breaking out. Maybe there's not enough volume. Whatever the case, that could ruin it. It could happen, but looking for that low twos breakout to test 3. Next up, we got SDC. Was that highlighted? No, it's not. Okay. Really? No, we're changing that. This needs to, no. This is a nice breakout. We are waiting for the confirmation. That is one thing. We got a little perk today. A decent perk in volume as well. And let's see what the float. I'm pretty sure it's a little bit more than usual. Yeah, 117. In the past few days, while it's holding up, solid volume is coming in, and it's now heading back higher to new highs. It's not all-time highs, but we're breaking out of this range, and that could trigger a move to the next range where there should be some sellers, long-term bag holders, some short sellers that will give it a hard time. First stop, whole dollar, half dollar area around 2.5, with some of the resistance here around the 240s, 230s. Makes me think 230 might be a hard time. Just the mid ones in general will be a hard zone to really break, where it might have a consolidation period or whatnot. Could be another area to get in or size up, depending if I missed the play initially or not. But this will be the first stop. After that, I think we see 3 here. But it really comes down, I think, to the hold of 2. If we can confirm 2, whole dollar, half dollar area level with 207 breakout right in this junk here, and it's holding up pretty well here. Solid trend, up trending, volumes there. Ideally it picks up, but the demand is there so far, and that could lead to a short squeeze. And we see here the way it moves pretty quick as well. So it does have the volatility considering the float. And I guess it did get a little bit choppy here, but it did offer a nice move from 140 to 170 in a matter of what looks like 10-15 minutes. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, so here we are. We're going to be looking for a confirmation. I don't want to talk too much. I'm just looking for confirmation to test 3. We'll just wrap it up there. It's getting late. I can just talk forever. DMS. This one will be one of my top watches. I think I like DMS and SDC so far the most. AEY probably a third, and then LQDA. Here with DMS, looking for that multi-day bounce. Today with MEGL, just absolutely fantastic. Went way, 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 way further than expected. I took a little piece of the move, and it just absolutely took off. I was getting a pre-market, got a whole video lesson on that uploaded, but beautiful multi-day bounce right out of the watch list. Same thing with HLBZ. This one happened pre-market and ended up dying off. And this play has been hot, and we're going to keep eyeing these plays until they are done. We have a new batch of them anytime we get a solid play spiking 150% or more. Sometimes I'll take one that's 120, 130, or 40, but I really like it be close or more than 150%. But back to the point here, DMS, we got a nice push the other day, or the other trading day. What is that, Thursday? Today's Monday. Yep. Great solid green candle here and solid pullback. Not much volume, but the only reason I'm really going to keep this on watch, because I can't help myself. I lagged today, offered a decent little bounce, didn't really have the selling we'd like to see going on in it, but ended up giving a solid push. Maybe it is the float in this case, or maybe I just need to keep tracking this and figure out what really will be the trigger of what will be a better multi-day bounce to focus my attention and just higher odd setup. And here, it was choppy. This is no MEGL, but it did offer a solid percentage gain for sure. And because of this, I will keep DMS on watch. If this starts breaking to new highs, volume picks up, that could mean something. Just looking for that bounce play. Lastly here, LQDA. Wow, this thing is really going on to 7 minutes plus. My apologies. We'll work on that. I just feel like it's a little long. I got 4 tickers. Okay, here we have what looks to be, honestly, I'm going to take this off of a top watch. I'll keep an eye on it. Now I'm really looking at it, I don't really see the volatility that I want to see. This is a very slow mover, and yeah, a little bit bigger market cap than we're used to, and float. But there's plays that even with that, when the demand is there, it can move. And if today, the past 2 days, is supposed to be the it can move stage, I'm gonna be exhausted of this. I know I'm not a patient person. This could be maybe for someone else who has more patience, but I want to see my play spike within 20 minutes or so. This thing here is just super gradual, and I think there are just better plays out there. Doesn't mean it can't do it. I just think I will be able to find a play that I'll get my money in a way that I want to get it quicker and setting up in a way that I like. So the pattern is good here, but I will have to say we do have this breakout as well. And if this runs without me, honestly, so be it. I think there are other better plays. So let's just wipe that off. Okay. Okay, so we're back to 3 plays. But yeah, so I just didn't really like this overall chart. Just very few solid days where it's running, and this is holding up. The volume is low, but not like what it typically is. It's hanging in there and bouncing back, so we'll see if it could break the high 8s, 9-ish area, confirm this pretty much double top, and break higher to 10 plus. But I don't think I will be participating now that I'm really looking at it. So yeah, I already explained it. I don't need to repeat myself. It's getting late. I need to get to bed. So hope this was a useful video lesson. I know yesterday's video lesson, last night's, was pretty good. I think there was like 3 or 4 plays that worked out in favor. LQDA being one of them. But now that I'm really looking at this, I don't think I want to trade this. But yeah, so hope everyone had a great day, great night now, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Let's have another great day.